Investing in the stock market, buying and selling stocks, for me is the easiest way to make money over the long term and grow your wealth. But exactly how does it work and how can you do this on Cash App? Because I've gotten a lot of questions since our last Cash App video on how to buy stocks on Cash App. There are a lot of people that don't know how to sell and how you can actually make money from selling the stocks. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and break it down. Now, how does the stock market work? Generally, just like you would buy a car or a house or anything of value, you buy it for a certain price and you sell it for more. That is the exact same way that the stock market works. The big difference is you don't always own the entire thing. So I have shares of Apple, I have shares of Nvidia. Obviously, I'm not the owner of all of Apple, right? So I'm owning just a small piece of it. As Apple makes more phones and people sell more things, it should get more valuable and I can sell it for a higher price. But how does it work on Cash App? How do you sell and how do you make money from doing so? I've already showed you how to buy in the previous video, so here is how to sell. So I'll go ahead and put the screen share on the screen. I'll tell you this now. I can only do this once, okay? Because once I sell the stock, it's gone. I would have to go and rebuy it, okay? So it's a one-take thing. If I make a mistake, it is what it is. So as you see here, I'll go down and hit the cash button. Notice there's $357. That's what's in the account right now. I'm going to scroll down, and these are the current stocks that I own. Now, the only one that's made money that I feel like selling is Booking. Now, I love this company. I really don't want to sell it, but I'm doing it for y'all, okay? I'm not selling Nvidia. I'm not selling no parts of Nvidia because I don't feel like it. That stock has done me quite well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the stock that I own. There's a sell button down there. I'll scroll down first. You'll see I've invested just $115. I usually do the Cash App thing for small investments. My Roth IRAs and all that kind of stuff is in other places, but it's a great place really for people to start. Now, I'm going to go ahead and hit the sell button. You have some options here. If you don't want to sell the entire thing, you don't have to. You can sell just $13, $10, whatever it is, or you can hit sell all, and that's going to sell all of it, and the money is going to be in your Cash App. Remember, $357 what we started off with. And as I'm thinking about this, I really don't want to sell all of it because I do like this company a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and sell, let's just say $50. The reason why you would sell a portion of it is if you still want the company and you still think it's going to grow, you can sell a portion of it. Maybe I don't need, all $100 today. Perhaps I just need 50. And in fact, I'm going to bring this down to 15 because again, I really like the company. I want it to continue to grow for me. So I'm going to sell the $15. Go ahead and hit next. It's going to do the Face ID and then confirm. Go ahead and hit that. And then boom, you have sold $15 of Booking holdings. Then hit done. Notice at the bottom there that the amount has gone up by $15. And now it says my total investment is $101.70. That's how it works. The higher that the company grows over time, the better it is that you are going to do as an investor. And then there are some times where the stock does not do well, as you saw in the very beginning. And I'll just go back here. For me, Salesforce and Comcast are down right now. Now, I just bought Comcast not too long ago. I haven't had Salesforce for forever. I'm going to continue to wait. If I go here and look at the last month, Salesforce is down. And if I go over last year, Salesforce is up 37%. So I'm just going to continue to wait until I think it's going to do better. And in most cases it will. When I'm ready, I'll sell it. But that is how you make money through the stock market. It is pretty much that easy. Now, you do have to do some research and know what to choose, and we've covered all that stuff in previous videos here on the channel, so you're in the right spot. But for those who are asking the question, how do I sell and how does this really work in terms of the money-making piece, that's it. You buy something, it goes up in value, you sell it, and that is really it at the end of the day. Now, for me, I don't like having a whole bunch of money in my Cash App. In this case, again, it was $372. So I am likely to just take that and invest in a different stock. We were talking about Marriott and Take-Two, TTWO. They're the maker of Rockstar Games and Grand Theft Auto. I don't play Grand Theft Auto, obviously, but they published that game. Perhaps I'll invest in that or something very similar, and I'll just keep it. It grows, put it in something else, it continues to grow, and that is how you build wealth over time. That is investing in a nutshell. Now, if you need to figure out how to research so you know exactly what stocks to choose, if you need to figure out how to actually buy stocks on Cash App instead of just sell, then these are the videos that you need to check out next.